Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, so this is the solution to Chapter 12, problem number 32 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And so this problem gives us 4 reactions and asks us to determine whether each is an oxidation, a reduction, or neither. And so starting with A is a reduction, and we can tell because we have a triple bond in the starting material. Triple bond is a pretty high oxidation state. And then, you can see that there are 4 extra hydrogens. So there's 5 hydrogens in the product. There's only 1 hydrogen in the starting material. So 2 pairs of hydrogens have been added. And so that is what qualifies this reaction as a reduction. So B, the second example, so this is actually an elimination reaction. So it's not an oxidation or a reduction. You might be tempted to call it an oxidation because you do lose 1 hydrogen. So you lose a single hydrogen from this carbon, and then you lose this bromine. So it's technically an elimination. And remember, in order to be an oxidation, it would have to lose a pair of hydrogens. And so, again, this is elimination, not oxidation. So C, letter C, is another reduction. And so we can see that there are 1, 2 new hydrogens in this molecule. And so a pair of hydrogens has been added. And so that is what qualifies this as a reduction. And then lastly, D, we can see that the hydrogens here and here are gone. And so we've lost that pair of hydrogens. We can also see that, so there's alcohols in the starting material, and there are these ketone parts of the product. And so we're going from an alcohol to a ketone, and we know that this must therefore be an oxidation, which it is. And so that is the answer to question number 32.